Okay, I'm going to film myself unpacking, just so you can get an idea of the kind of crap I carry around. I work on my computer, so I bring a screen with, and I'll unpack. You can watch. I'm going to super fast it, so you don't have to sit there all day and watch. This is a black suit coat and 3 dress shirts I bring just in case, but I almost never unzip this. I just put it to the side. These are actually dress shoes that I almost never wear, and I just leave them in the suitcase. This is a base for my monitor. Also carry jeans I almost never wear. I carry 6 t-shirts that I wrap up nicely in one of these closed things. I carry 6 pairs of men's underwear and 6 pairs of socks. That's all the clothes I bring. Plus these shorts, a bathing suit, a belt. Then I bring my monitor. This is important. My monitor has bungees around it. The bungees hold on a little keyboard, a Logitech keyboard that I use. It's a Bluetooth, so I can use this piece of wood that's cut exactly the size of my screen, and the bungee holds it over the front of the screen. This piece of wood also has a little round Velcro on the front of it, and the back of the keyboard has Velcro. I slap that on there, and I use it on my laptop. It's an ergonomic situation where my shoulder stays healthy. I bring shampoos and other liquids, and I put them in these plastic containers so they don't ruin my electronics. They're double bagged. I also bring a red backpack, zipper backpack that I can use to go to the grocery store and buy foods. I put that near the front door. I carry a nice knife because I like to cook, a can opener, and a garlic press, and a pair of scissors I use to cook. That goes in the kitchen. I don't like sugar, so I carry stevia little packets with me. I carry this JBL speaker and an old phone that I use to listen to music. Both very light. Probably seen me work out with this before. It's my workout band I use for resistance. I run and do resistance training. As I told you, I like to cook. I like very spicy food. I keep that in this. I always carry whole wheat pasta with me because sometimes it's hard to find in foreign countries, or it takes you a few days to find it, and so you have it for the first few meals until you can find more of it. Also, you can buy drugs in many countries, like antibiotics, aspirin, that kind of thing. I carry that with me in case I get traveler's trouble or whatever. And I've never had trouble going in and out of the US with it, but I do recommend that you not carry any illegal drugs into the US. Even prescriptions that are prescribed by a doctor in the US that are legal because they're prescribed, you can't buy and bring into the US if they're on the FDA or the police scheduled drugs. So don't buy any kind of mood altering or painkillers or any of that till you Google and see which ones will end you up in jail. I carry a hard drive, and I back up my computer. Actually, I carry 2. What is this? Oh, some interest. I carry oatmeal around because I start my day with oatmeal. I also have some other things in here, some more spices and some coconut powder. I like to cook Thai food. I have fingernail clippers, tweezers, that pocket knife, assorted little electronic gadgets I carry around. And this is coffee and tea. I like coffee and tea, so I carry that around. The only other thing I carry, and I keep that in, all that in the suitcase, except for the coffee and tea. I like real coffee, so I don't. That isn't instant coffee; it's real coffee. That really kind of completes it. I also carry one of those little razors I use have around to trim body hair onto, and I carry cables for the monitor and the second monitor and its power source. That's everything in my suitcase. In my backpack, I bring this because I'm on a protein isolated diet right now, a keto diet to lose weight. I have my power cord for the computer and an extension cord. You never know how far you're gonna have to go. I bring these are just leftover water containers that I can refill without creating more plastic. This is a foam pillow I carry with me to support my neck when I sleep. And this is my backup camera. It's a Sony camera. And I have on a raincoat. And that's about it. Oh, my computer. My computer's back here. And that's my whole setup. And this is something I really like. I've been drinking more tea lately, but this is my coffee setup. You just put the coffee in here, close it. This is like a perforated metal screen where the hot water can get into it. You just drop it in one of these little things with hot water. Coffee brews itself. I have two, one for Chung, one for I. When we're drinking coffee. And that's my whole coffee maker. And it's also my portable coffee drinker. All right, that's 12 years. It's taken me 12 years to get down to that little. I used to carry a little more, but not much more. And I'm about to make a shift to a smaller. Right now I'm at about 26 kgs. I'm going to try to go under 20 kgs pretty soon, and I'll update you on what I include at that time. Okay, let me show you my electronics setup. This is that extension cord. It's a US type extension cord. I carry a universal plug to go into the wall, and then this US will plug into it, and so I can go anywhere in the world and I have electricity. On the other end of this orange thing, I have one of these 1, 2, 3 block extensions into it, and on the other side is my my PC power, and then this is for my monitor power, and I have 3 other spots. One for fast charging on my phone, and this one is for fast charging on camera batteries. And here's the monitor. The monitor and the PC. I use an Azu Zen, I think it's called a Zen book, and it's just been amazing. I bought it in 2016, no trouble, not giving me a moment of headache. So I highly recommend it. And this monitor, 99 bucks. It seems like 5 years ago, and with that piece of wood protecting it and bungee cords, it's a perfect setup. This is my wireless keyboard. There's a dongle on the side of my computer here. This is made by Logitech, and it's not like a perfect keyboard, but it's pretty rugged. It's lasted a long time, and I've been happy with it. And let me show you the ergonomics of typing that I'm able to achieve with this setup, with using this board as a. So here's my desk. I'm able to sit properly with my back straight, and notice my arms fall normally at a right angle here, and they're on the keyboard. I'm not up here on the desk, leaning forward, head forward, I'm back. If I need to, I can expand the size of the characters, and I'm able to hold a good posture here. Well, I can work for hours like this without straining my back, without carpal tunnel, because the hands are just lightly resting on this wood, on the cardboard. So this cardboard saves both the monitor and my posture, and the Velcro holds it in place, so I can set it somewhere like this, and it's all waiting for me when I need it. And then that's it. That's my whole setup. Thanks for watching.